I'm Stephanie Bauer from the Wilder School District, and I teach middle and high school computer science. When I was asked to join the Onramp initiative, I was ecstatic and ready to bring my knowledge of CBL to the table. I was jumping into a new position in computer science and knew that I would need all the support I could find. The week-long academy training this summer helped me know I wasn't alone and gave me the push of confidence I needed to bring the excitement of coding to my students. Our school district pushed for Everyone Can Create to be a staple for our students, and I was excited to share my passion with them. I was able to work through the music and photo books, but really sunk in deep with students through the Everyone Can Create drawing. It was a challenge to get teenagers as excited about their drawing and to get their minds wrapped around how to use the new techniques in their other classes, but I think they secretly appreciated not having to do regular schoolwork and could easily draw from their understanding in other concepts. I was able to use the coding interest to my middle school students and use the Q robots to give them the basics of block coding paired with other applications such as clips so they can have the background knowledge they need for Swift and future coding programs that may come up in their education. A group of female students also bonded together to try out the National Q Challenge that associated STEM activities and challenges into block coding. Along with the Everyone Can Create curriculum, I was anxious to use my new computer science position to help students really sink their heads into problems and initiatives around their community. Not only were students hands-on with Spheros to help with their understanding of multiple subject areas and standards, such as ELA poetry and math through bowling analytics. They were engaged in each activity and helped them understand the coding language as well as impact their diverse learning styles. My app design class used what they knew as students to help come up with solutions to problems in our school and designed app prototypes that they are hoping to continue to build as they get more familiar with coding concepts next year. We continued this method with a community challenge with our senior citizen population. Because of the unfortunate pandemic, my students were only able to create an app prototype and pitch their idea through Zoom. They enjoyed the process of being challenged with something that was a little outside their comfort zone. They understood that this problem was just minor in relation to what they could really accomplish in the future with their new skills. Participating in the Onramp initiative pushed me to new levels of being an educator. I had to really think outside a box that was pretty big given the personalized learning style in our small school district in Wilder. I learned that although I may be the only one teaching computer science, that I was not alone and that my students were able to combine many subjects to help cater their needs in coding and computer science. I am very excited to push some of my fellow coworkers to join the next cohort for the Onramp initiative. I used to think coding was just massive lines of words. Now I know that anyone and everyone can code.